Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I will show you how you can activate fingerprint animation. As you can see right now I can unlock my smartphone, but there is no this animation. So to get this animation on the fingerprint unlock, you have to go for the biometrics and the security, tap on the fingerprints, input your verification method, and then click here to show animation when unlocking. Tap here and take a look right now. As you can see, there is the animation. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.